Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Brandi here, and in today's video I'll be giving you like a 2-in-1. So I'll be doing makeup and I'll be doing my hair, and if you want to see how this turns out, then make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. So first, as you can see, I'll be starting off parting my hair, like basically from ear to ear. It won't be like an up down, but I do this so that way I'll be able to precisely part my hair, you know, so that the braid will go straight up, you know. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I'm going to be using the 24-hour edge tamer. This stuff is really good. You can find this at the beauty supply store. It should be right next to the edge booster. I don't have anything against the edge booster. I have used it once and I like it, but I try different edge controls all the time because I do hair, and people hair react different to different edge controls. So yeah, I like this edge control for my hair because it works really good. And yeah, as you can see, I'm about to start doing my braid. It took me like it took me like 3 times to do this braid because, you know, I'm like braiding up and I'm not over my own stuff. Like, I'm not braiding it my own stuff to just, you know, be over my own stuff and just grip the braid good. So I had to do this braid over like 3 times. So as you can see, you see the struggle here. Like, I was about to give up and just be like, you know what, it's just gonna be a regular slick ponytail. But I'm like, no, I want it to be different and cute because, like, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or not. Make sure you do. I'll have everything posted on the screen so you can follow me. But if you follow me on Instagram or whatever, then you know that I've been like rocking a ponytail for a couple weeks now. It's super convenient, and yeah, I just love ponytails because they are super cute and sleek, and they just simple. Like, you can be really simple but still really cute all at once. And here I'm just taking the hot comb and I'm just combing through my hair, getting those spots that I might have missed from when I previously straightened my hair. So I don't straighten my hair a lot. I have stopped a whole lot. I have to do an update so you guys can see my natural hair or whatever. But I stopped applying so much heat to it, and I don't do it as often. So my curl pattern is kind of coming back. Also here, as you can see, I'm using the Got2b glue. I know a lot of people are against using that, but it works well for me and it doesn't, you know, cause any problems. So yeah, it works really good. Like, I would have used on another day, like I would have used some gel, but it curls my hair back up, and Got2b just, like, even though I just straighten my hair, it keeps it straight as I, you know, put it into the ponytail. It don't get curly again. So that's what you can see that I'm doing right here. I'm just brushing my hair all up into a sleek ponytail, and I'm going to tie it twice, or, well, I'm going to put it on there as tight as possible. I'm also using some spritz, and yeah, I'm just going to spray everything so it can all be laid and I don't have to worry about any flyaways or anything like that. Everything will look super sleek. So here, I'm not quite sure what happened to my footage of me braiding my hair up, but I did braid the my ponytail into a braid, so that way when I start to apply the weave, you know, this will be the no glueless part. I also put my baby hairs down too. That's what I wanted to say also. But here, as you can see, I'm putting a bobby pin. I'm using bobby pins to apply, like to put the hair on my head, on the braid. I'm taking a bobby pin and I'm basically sticking it through the track and down through my braid. I'm making sure that the bobby pin is going down, like literally going down, like facing down into the braid, so that way it won't be sticking out and I can just wrap the hair around the bobby pin, if that makes any sense. So I'm wrapping the hair around my braid and the bobby pin, so that way the bobby pins won't stick out and everything will be hidden. My braid won't be, you know, right there. And this is what also make the ponytail flow too. So you know how like sometimes, like, have you ever tried putting your ponytail and like putting a bun on top of it, and then like, I don't know how I'm about to explain this, but I have basically wrapped the track around, just around the top part, the base part of my ponytail, and my ponytail never ever come out right. So when I started to bring the track around my braid first, instead of putting it around the base of my ponytail, like it flowed. Basically it looked more natural, like my real ponytail, instead of like, you know, a ponytail that was just done. But here, as you can see, I do got little lumps, but I'm gonna fix everything, you guys, so don't worry about it. But I'm just adding on more tracks to the hair, to the base part of my hair. So that's where I'm saying where I had applied the hair. Like I didn't put it down my braid, I just put the track right there before, and it did not turn out right. I had to figure out how to do this, and I watched a few videos, so I'm showing you guys how I do it my way. And I don't know if you can see, but you can see like a little bobby pin sticking out, but that's okay because I'm going to fix everything. Like basically you have to bend the bobby pins, and I'm going to show you when I wrap the hair around so everything can flow. Oh, here it is right here. I was going to get out because I'm talking too much. But right here you can see is when I take a piece of the like bottom hair. I take a piece of the ponytail from like the inner part, I'm sorry, the outer part of the ponytail, and I'm just taking it and I'm just wrapping it around, making sure that it's all together and it's not like straggly or anything like that. I comb through it also, so that way it'll just look neat going around the base of my ponytail. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing, and I'm also using a spritz so everything will hold, and I use some Brandi.b glue as well to make sure that it stayed down and it, you know, it won't be coming up. Mostly I did use bobby pins because, you know, I'm not really a fan of using glue unless I'm using I'm getting like a quick weave or something. But here I'm just about to slick down my edges, and I also am going to curl the ponytail. You will see it straight, but I think I like it better curled because the way that I saw this hairstyle too. Let me give the hair where I got the hairstyle from. I got the hairstyle from Filthy Rich Tresses. She done it like way better than I did, but this is where I got the hair. That's where I got the hairstyle from. And I don't know where I was going, but I'm gonna shut up and let you guys watch me do my edges and just finish fleeking the ponytail. So this is the star of the show. This is the Nbraas palette. It's really the Nbraas Youngerlook palette. My instructor actually is the one who created this wonderful palette. I think it's like, I don't remember how many shadows is at the top. Let me see what. So it's 16 shadows all in all. And it's a lot of shimmer shadows, which I really needed because I do a lot of makeup and all that good stuff. So I be needing a lot of different colors to pick from. And this palette was perfect for me. As soon as I seen it, I was like, oh my god, Miss Nbraas, I need it. But it's a really good palette. You will see in the video how good the color payoff is. I didn't really have any fallout. The only thing I can't really say about the shadows is that, like any other foil shadow, you'll have to you know how you can apply it with like a brush. I mean, not all shadows are like this, but this one, you like to see the pigment really good. It'll just be best to use your finger instead of the brush. So she didn't have any names for the shadows or anything. This is one of her first palettes. So I'll actually show like the whole line because I do have some videos. I'm going to insert it so you can see exactly her line. And I'll also have everything linked down in the description box so you can check out her website and purchase yourself a palette if you want to as well. So this is basically the finished look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also enter into my giveaway because I'm giving out I'm giving away a tablet, and it's just awesome. Watch the video. It's my previous video before this one. I also have a card for that in this video, so you can check it out if you want to. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.